All right, y'all, so here's our large format tile, and as you can see, we've already got the left side over here done. Got the back wall staged. Here's our diverter and all that. We've already cut that out. Just makes life easier. A lot of thin set to mix up and keep going. But I just wanted to show you real quick. You don't have to, just like I said, just our thing. Let me show you this. With the trowel, doing this back butter, whenever you see how I constantly make them lines, that is why we don't like those at all. I will sit here and load up with a silo trowel, get all this off right here. It just makes life a lot easier. And as you are going through this, you're not bringing those lines down with you. Allows you to get on that edge work good. Because, you know, let's face it, these are 4-foot tiles. They're big anyway. Once I get covered everywhere, it just keeps me from making those distinctive lines every which way. Because that's all you're trying to do anyway, is scrape that through. Once you do that, this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to sit here and ride that edge, grab that off, and see how I don't have that line. Then when I come back that other side, I keep bringing my line with me until I'm done. Just like that. Then all I do is get this off the sides here where it barely came over. Not much of nothing. Rinse my hands a tad. And then I'm ready. I'm going to clean off these two little holes. And then we'll clean the rest of it once we get in there. That's it. Check her out. Boom. Ready. All right, so we're wrapping it up for the day, and we're going to get you spun around and see what we got going on. Check it out. Looks a little different than last time. This sucker is on point. Oh, we love it. Great tile selection. Absolutely love it. Of course, we got the other side wrapped up. Love this tile. Came from Floor & Decor. But everything is just right there on point. So, we got one little trick left in our bag. We're going to be popping that in there first thing in the morning. And then catching up these two little sidewalls right here. It's late. Always tomorrow, so as usual, we appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks for all the local support. We'll see y'all back tomorrow with the next one.